Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1 to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to post a vertical video on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to post a vertical video on Pinterest, you just simply have to open the Pinterest application in your device. Then after opening the Pinterest application, you will see this create button at the bottom side. Just simply tap into that create button. Then after tapping into that, you just simply have to choose this pin option, and after clicking into there, you will get the option of all photos and videos into here. Just simply choose the video option and then you will see all of your videos into your device into here. You just simply have to choose the vertical video that you want to post. Then after that, click to this next button at the top right corner. Then after tapping into the next button, you can customize your vertical video from here, which includes size, media, text, music, stickers and colors. You can also draw something into your video as your customization. Then after doing all this editing, you can see this next button at the top right corner. Just simply click into that next button. Then your video will be ready to upload. Now you just simply have to put a title, description and your business link if you have any, and then you can pick a board to publish this vertical video into your Pinterest profile. Now you just simply have to tap into this create button. Then your video will be processed and be posted into your Pinterest profile depending on your internet connection. By following these very easy steps, you can easily post a vertical video in your Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.